Galaxy A57 unboxing just dropped, and all colors look stunning. Here we have the official unboxing and hands-on videos of the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G. Today, we've got some fresh unboxing clips from TikTok, and once again, the source of these videos is Thailand, where the phone is already appearing in real-world use. In these videos, we can clearly see 4 different color options of the Galaxy A57, and honestly, all of them look absolutely beautiful. Samsung has done a great job with the finishes this time, giving the device a very premium and stylish look. From the hands-on footage, the phone looks sleek, slim, and very well built, with a clean back design and a modern camera layout. The display also looks quite impressive, featuring slim bezels and a centered punch hole, which adds to the overall flagship-like feel. Another interesting thing is that this video is not just a simple unboxing. If you watch till the end, it also includes a quick camera test, giving us an early idea of how the Galaxy A57 performs in real-life photography and video. Overall, the Galaxy A57 is shaping up to be a very solid mid-range smartphone, especially in terms of design, colors, and first impressions. So make sure to watch the full video till the end. And let me know, which color is your favorite? That's it for today. What are your thoughts about the Galaxy A57? Let me know in the comment section below. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.